So here's the plan for our big application for the project that would work something like WordPress, Webflow, but it will be entirely on JavaScript. We will use Svelte in the front end, SvelteKit, and Supabase in the back end. Basically, I designed something. I'm not a designer, but we have something like this where you have this toolbar for components, and when you click here, this will, like, the text appears. But if you just click here, like, oh, I want a grid, then a box appears, and you can basically, just like in Figma, like you can make height or width or things like that. Basically, this will appear when you go to the sites, and you can make it like 2-3 boxes, both vertically and horizontally. If you click on picture, the same, like you'll be given the same thing where you can determine height and width, and other things will appear here, like do you want to be have a radius, shadow, things like that. We will make it as simple a layout as possible because we want it to be very intuitive, and these are static stuff. Like if you click a text, it will appear here. Font size, things like that will appear above. If you want to turn it into a headline or paragraph, video static, table static, then menu. This is for the entire website. When you create a menu, it will appear somewhere. You can like put it anywhere, but you have to determine if this menu appears everywhere or not. Then you have page. Basically, if you just have menu and you do not have page, it will show the error page. But when you have pages, like at first you just have home page, but you can create other pages. Form is just a form, like input, things like that, where you can send a form. You have layout for things like footer, for sidebar, for things that repeat again and again, and you can determine where to put them or not. And you have posts. Now, this is an important one. Because this is where we communicate. These things are mostly like static, but the post is dynamic, because here what we do is we have the platform, and I explain like other things, but for posts, like we'll give many templates, like do you want users or profiles, do you want articles, blogs, and we will have some like in the database, do you want comments, do you want products like for sale, do you want tags, categories, likes, upvotes, downvotes, followers, messages, notifications, transactions, media, image, video, event calendar, analytic log. So we basically give them like 20 most common product or post types, so they don't need like to come and say like, okay, let me do post title, content, author ID. Like these things are known, and most people have just like choose between one of these 20, and they can customize a bit if they want. But if they want totally custom, then they have other sorts of posts. And what's good about this platform is you click on posts, you choose a post or create a custom one, then it will tell you like determine where you put this post, or do you put it on multiple pages, or like how many posts do you want featured things. So this is that. Then we have templates, where you have template for websites and web apps and things like that. We have themes where you change the color, the sizing, typography. We have plugins where if you want like payment Stripe, if you want other things, like you just go to plugins. Setting is just general for your account. So this is my plan to create this project. I think it will be a very nice project. It will be open source. You can work on it. You can put this project on your profile and say like, I've worked on this real project. But I need your help, because I'm intermediate to senior as a developer, and honestly, like I have no idea how to implement this project just yet. I'm just like going with it, trying to make it work, but I don't know how to do it. So if you know better, like how you should take part, and this is a real project. Like if you put it on your portfolio, everyone knows like, oh, this is not from a YouTube or something like that, because everything is clear. It's open source, the GitHub and everything, you can fork it. So let me know what you think. Do you like the initial idea? What comments do you have to make it better? And we'll, of course, this is for website, we will create web apps, mobile apps. This is for website and web app, but we will make it like PWA mobile app, like native through maybe React Native or Svelte Native. And let me know just like, what do you think? Is this a good idea? Do you like this intuitive layout where people just come like, build a website? Okay, we have a grid. Put a picture here, a title, something. Okay, you have products. Just create a product. It will create it in Supabase and you put it on this page. And okay, the first product should be like this, featured here. So I think it will make it much easier than the other websites like WordPress or Webflow, Shopify, and you will have what you call a very performant website or web app, and you can make it custom as well. You'll like let people to create custom components and things like that if they want. Let me know what you think. I really think we should start. Thank you very much.